Good afternoon, it's your boy Rubio, and I'm back at the table with some more cards to unveil for you guys today. And today is day 8 of Topps Holiday Baseball. Let's see what we got behind that door. Punch out the 8, open it up, and punch it out. Bam. Whoa, yeah, that door's kind of messed up. So we will close that. There's our little pack. Let's come back down to the table here. There's our pack. Let's see what we got inside. From the Angels, we have Angel Martinez, rookie card. We have Josh Jung from the Texas Rangers. On the plaid, we have Hunter Green from the Cincinnati Reds. Bobby Witt Jr. from the Kansas City Royals. It's a nice looking card. And last one in this pack, we have C.J. Abrams from the Washington Nationals. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in to the video. Make sure you come back for day 9 tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with others. Follow me on all of my socials. And have a great day. Bye.